Union team came from Abuja just to meet with us and just to ask about preparations for the elections and our views. They come to look at the landscape for the sub-national election that we're having on the 21st in Edo State. So just want to ensure that things are going on well, that there's a free and fair environment, a transparent environment, an unbiased environment, a level playing field. So we just had a frank exchange of views. I think the police will have to investigate the process. And what we try to do is to stay on the issues and to be fair, to keep an open mind. We think that with the evidence before the police, they don't have a choice but to conduct an effective investigation, and they will do so. We don't have any reason not to believe they won't do so. All of you saw the TV footage. You saw the people that were carrying AK-47s, pump action. They know them. It's clear. It's evidence in plain sight. So, that some of those people are still walking the streets amazes me. But we have confidence, and you have to have confidence in your process until your process proves you wrong. So it's just 6-7 days. Maybe they are taking their time, but we're sure they'll get to it, because it's evidence in plain sight. You saw the people carrying guns, and there's some things that you saw through that process from the airport down to all the places people went to that don't make sense to the right thinking person. But we still have faith that something positive will come out of this process.